You can also find this online. It's Tony Robbins Funnel, just to show you how powerful and how big this can go. Let's do this. So you know Tony Robbins is a great speaker, but behind all that is a massive, massive business. So what he does is simply, you can copy this, take a photo, you can find it online, Tony Robbins Funnel. There's a lead magnet. How do I get my leads? How do I get my people to kind of get to know me, right? I didn't know Tony Robbins probably about 10 years ago, first time I heard about him, right? I saw his ad, I saw him speak. I was like, who's this big guy, like so powerful? I want to be like him, right? So he's got a Facebook and Twitter. He does all these speaking engagement. You see him there. He does all these interviews. He does a show and pay-per-click ads. So you might see his ads somewhere online, right? So next level of his funnel, you've seen it. Okay, I kind of like this guy. Okay, the next thing is like he kind of promotes something else. He's got a different course. There's also a book, Awake the Giant, at that point of time, lower end price point. So what he really wants to, there's a lower price point. And here's a secret to biggest marketers. People who buy something from you, whether it's the lower price point, they're more likely to buy something of a higher value because they're already kind of committed into that relationship with you, right? Whatever you offer, right? So he's got all these programs, and I bought a book, $15, not much, right? So I bought it, I liked it. Now he gets you into the funnel. Now he's got my email address. He starts sharing testimonials, and I like it. Oh, how do I become like all these people? Well, Milan, there's a conference, there's another conference, there's $10,000. Oh, it's a lot of money, can I really afford it at that point of time? And now I'm in the funnel, but I'm considering paying that much money for that big conference. But would you all agree, if first time I saw him, he says, Milan, there's a conference, $10,000, and I don't even know who that guy is, right? Forget about it. Who are you? Why should I pay so much money? Forget about it. Run away, right? That's how we have to build a relationship before we offer higher-end product. And his high-end product is his coaching mentorship, over $65,000, and he's got all these masterminds on his island here and there, so that's for high-end people. But to charge higher price, you have to have all these steps in nurturing period of time. So everyone should have a funnel. And it's never only one product or service, 2, 3, or even more. Like we do have from the property side, coaching and mentoring program. We have masterclasses, everything for everyone. There's an inner circle coming up. So there's a lot of opportunity for everyone to be part of it. And eventually, people upgrade as the time goes by, because different programs give you different outcomes and give you different results. Simple. Does this make sense, guys, right? So right now, consider what kind of funnel do you have? What is your sales system? Where do you get in clients, right? How is your marketing? What is your end goal? Is this system right in place, or is there something that you're missing? This is what I can help you with.